Hi, I'm Lisa Harris, and I am happy that you clicked on my tutorial of a painting that I did with watercolors. Tutorials are a great tool to learn from. I hope that you will find this one informative and useful. In the description, you will find a list of colors and the type of paper used. If you have any questions, you can write to me at lisasworld@gmail.com. For the sketch, I used a hard charcoal pencil in black, and this was done freehand. I would encourage you to also try this. I diluted a little bit of yellow ochre with some water and then used this wash across the face. Throughout the entire process of painting, I have added washes of color in layers. Note that each layer must dry thoroughly before the next layer is applied. A wash of diluted magenta pink is applied across the cheeks, and this is followed by more layers of diluted yellow ochre and diluted magenta pink. Especially around the eyes, the magenta pink works really well. The layers of diluted yellow ochre washes, especially along the nose and towards its base, emphasize the shadow that it casts. When you get to this stage, allow the paint to dry before proceeding. Look at the coloring that's below the hairline. Just make sure that you do not miss that. A wash of diluted red on the lips works well. Add yellow ochre and magenta pink washes around the eyes. The darks are now in place. Dilute very little ultramarine blue so that you get a very pale color, and apply this first to the eyes, and then come in with more details using black. A rigger brush size 0 is perfect for painting the eyebrows as well as the eyelashes. Take your time when you are painting the eyes. Use a single wash of the diluted ultramarine blue. Allow it to dry before you go in with the black to add the details. Remember, when you want to show the reflection of light in the eye, the glint, make sure that you leave space before you add the black detailing. It will not make sense to try to use white paint later because it will not give you the same effect. A mix of yellow ochre and yellow are used for the earrings. This is such a happy, bright color, and it works so well. Now that you've completed the face, it's time to turn your attention to the hair. Now, I wanted layers and layers of color, and I wanted it to look curly, so I used light washes of orange, then red and magenta, repeatedly to make the hair stand out. Of course, I made sure to dry between the layers. I added washes of magenta pink to the lower part of the hair. So you get a lovely gradation from orange into red and then into the magenta pink. And this just makes the overall look that much more appealing. I do hope you like that. I really hope you like this tutorial. See you next week. Until then, stay safe and stay well. Do remember to subscribe to my channel and to like this video too. Your support will go a long way. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye for now.